Well, hello, you trader nerds. Hope everybody's doing great. It is a fabulous Tuesday. Thanks for joining us. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We have some nerds with us today. We got DB, we got Dwayne, we got Hal, we got Jim, we got Kubus, we got Mike Shaw, the Turkey Slayer. I gave up on turkey this year. I got my friend of mine, he smokes turkeys, and I had his last year plus mine, and everybody bragged on his and did brag on mine. So I was like, screw him. I ain't making one this year. I just order one from him. Robert, Vicky with an I is in the house, and Vicky with a Y in the house. And Vicky on her little screen here has got some two cute little kids there, Vicky. Are those your little kids? That's cool. So welcome in, everybody. I love little kids. All right. So let's go to the hate mail. And I always like going to the hate mail to see what's going on. Y'all keep it coming because it's really good. Bobby, yo, just can't stop gambling, right? You had a solid plan and now you are adding short calls that limit your upside. That is what you need to grow your account to millions based on your back test. I see that you can't stop selling options day to day. It is a vicious something you have you are not mechanical in your own plan. So I reflected on TV Lobo's comment, and I think he's right. I think he's right. So you see, these calls that I had are limiting me. This one's lost me $66. This one's up $21 right now. And I think he's right. And that's where I get so maybe I should be more apt to, um, let's see if we can close this at 224. Maybe I should be more apt to sell calls, if something is confirming that it's going to be down. But, for right now, we don't. Uh-oh. I got to already close an order on the 88. Let's see. But I agree with him. So let's go to my activity. 88. Let's see. 88. Here it is. Working. It's $1.23. Let's close that and take a little bit of profit. Replace order. We'll go to the mid price. 223, 222, 220. Let's see if we can get out of that one. Activity, go up a little bit. Let's do a 221 debit. Just to get out. Because I agree with him. There we are. We're out. Now let's see our positions. So we'll leave the other one on there. So now we've got positions. We've got this one that's down $57. Okay. But I agree with him. Most of our profits are going to come from the appreciation of TQQQ, not from the selling of calls. So maybe I should be more of a put seller, which you see my puts no longer here. You know why? It closed for 50% profit. So maybe on the next down day, good down day, I'll sell another one of those. But I agree with you. So I think that's a really good hate mail piece. Okay, let's go to the next hate mail. Okay, some devil's advocate hate mail here. As someone who uses AI a lot for these kind of things, I can tell you that what you're doing is very amateurish. You don't understand the concept of an LLM. It's not trained to analyze option strategies. It's not trained to calculate, and it's not trained at all to work with large pieces of data. It can't really backtest, and even if it does, for you, there's no way to guarantee that there is any accuracy in those results. What it's trained to do is to make you happy and provide you with answers. What it can't do is analyze. I use Claude to generate LLC agreements for a fund, for example, and it can't really process anything longer than 2 pages. You haven't trained the model to do what you're doing with it, and the data you're getting from it is noise. It's nothing. And to trade based on it is not a good idea. You're looking for shortcuts in a world where tons of work is needed to take money from the markets. Just looking through charts for half an hour and then showing some LLM dialogue ain't going to cut it. So I basically said to him, that's why I used Excel to confirm the results, because I didn't trust Claude on his back testing. And then when we finally did confirm the results were not that good. So basically, all I am now is buy and hold TQQQ, and we get out if the interest rates go up. That's pretty much it. And we dollar cost average into it. So I don't know how much more simpler I can make the plan. Bobby, who you got? Indiana at OSU. You heard it here first. OSU, and indeed, OSU beat Indiana. So that's the hate mail, and a good hate mail. Y'all keep it coming. I know it's not hate mail really, but y'all keep the mail coming. It's really really good. I enjoy your thoughts. Let's look at the market today. Look at this, y'all. TQQQ is up 1.34%. Again, that's what he said. Hey, Bobby, your appreciation is not from the options premium that you're going to get on selling those covered calls. It's going to be from the appreciation you get in TQQQ. I agree with you. So ES is above its 15-minute opening range. It's up 23 points, 0.38%. And you see, as it normally does during lunchtime, we're having a little bit of lunchtime chop here. Interestingly enough, you'll see this is kind of going down and this is going up. That is divergence. So I would expect this probably to go down or this to start going up because these two need to move in tandem with each other. Let's look at our big green monster. Hard to believe it won't be many days before we'll be drawing the big green monster. And there's no surprise that we've got support and resistance lines here at our 20% there. Point of control has moved down to here. I think it was up here. So this probably tells us that there's more opportunity for it to come back down into this area. So it looks like I would think that this, rather than going up much farther, would probably come down to test these levels in the next couple of days. Let's look at the E-minis. The E-mini S&P 500, my favorite future to trade. And here, look at this. We are overbought. So this is a little bit bearish. Point of control is below there. And then we've got this here. So I would think next few days, maybe a little bearish move coming down here. We would anticipate the 0% line to be a little bit of resistance as price may pop its little head up there before it starts to go down. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression. Wow, we got a lot of tails here, y'all. See the tails on the bottom. That means that the bears have tried to take it down, and they have been, how shall I say, unsuccessful. So we've got us a little bit of an uptrend going on here. Let's clone that and move this one up a little bit. Let's see right here. So we've got a little bit of moving to the upside. So we got a little channel up. So we didn't really have an area of consolidation. We did this little triangle, not triangle, but whatever this is. What is that called? A row. What is that thing called?
Diamond.
A diamond. It's like a diamond. So what was that other thing I was talking about? A row. What is it? Starts with a rhombus, or something.
Rhomboid.
Rhomboid, something like that. But yeah, I agree with you. That's kind of a diamond. So that's our area of consolidation here. And occasionally you'll see these diamond consolidation periods. See this? We had a diamond there, consolidation period. So those happen ever so often. So we're back into uptrend. So everything looks good with our stuff. And I do appreciate y'all' comments. I really do. Really, really appreciate those. So let's see how our little account's doing today. Now we sold that call. Let's see. We don't like showing our losses for the year, which are enormous, but we're up $175 in this account. We don't have anything on in these two accounts, and in this account we're up $80. This account does not have any covered calls in it or anything of that nature, so everything's doing really good. Let's see. Let's just kind of see where we're at. 76,898. 76,898. Where were we here? 76,898. So we are on track for 76,898 minus 75,300.87. So we're up 1,597, which ain't bad, divided by 75,300.87. We're up 2.1% this month, and we still got 4 days to go. That's good. I'm really happy with that. If I could do that every month, I think I'd be just fine. All right. So what else we got here? Let's go see our hedge. See if our hedge is still in order. And we got to move this. Let's make sure we got everything hit. We got ES. Let's do this. In risk analysis, move this to today's date, the 26th. Says we've got $15,000 worth of profit. This is 60% down. These are 20% down. Okay, that's good. That's good. Let's see if we've got any orders on our little stuff here. Let's see our working orders. We've got 305. This one's about to fill. This one's about to fill, right? And this one's about to fill. So I can probably start selling some pretty soon. We've got some nice ones that are about to fill, 3 of these, and then we'll have a really, really, really nice hedge, and that'll allow us to sell some more. Really, I think more what I'm doing now is I'm letting my account just go up, and then I'm just paying outright for the hedges, which I think is really, really good. All right, y'all. I think that's all I've got for today. Hope y'all have a good rest of your day and a great Thanksgiving plan. We will meet tomorrow, and I look forward to seeing you then. Everybody have a good rest of your day. I will see y'all on Thanksgiving Eve. Bye, y'all.